Merry Christmas! Welcome to the 2025 Shedland Christmas Light Spectacular. It's a lot like last year's Christmas Shedland Light Spectacular. Except that, no, it's the same.
I was trying to get the video out just before Christmas, so I'd like to take the opportunity to wish all my subscribers and viewers and all the Tweeds Garage regulars out there a happy Christmas and a Merry New Year. Yeah.
Right back at you, Mr. Tweed. Oh, hello. So, it's been a little bit quiet on this channel of late, and I had just under 2 emails asking me what was going on, so thought I'd address that. I've been a bit sick, and you might be able to just hear that, the residuals of the Christmas cold, and I got a new job a few weeks ago, so it's been a bit hectic in my world of late while I get settled in. Nevertheless, things are progressing with the Bandsaw project, and on that I just want to thank everybody. That series of videos has got a lot of attention, a lot more than my videos usually get, so that's very gratifying, and plenty of people have subscribed, plenty of new subscribers. So thank you to all the new subscribers, and a big thank you to all my existing ones, and to all the encouraging comments that I get, and all of that good fun stuff. Really appreciate you watching, and hope to finish off the last video in the Bandsaw series soon. And I'll only do one more. I'm still making the frame and bits and pieces, but I'll kind of wrap it all up in one last video. But what I will say is the modifications done so far have been astoundingly good. It's the most useful it's ever been. I've been using it a ton to cut up tubing to make some additional parts for it, and I'll show you some of the residue from that. So I did actually use the strap clamp abilities of this to hold some square tubing in place, and I've cut a whole bunch of 2x2 by 3/16 wall tube to make a new frame with wheels for this. That's much heavier duty than is needed, but that's what I had on hand that was scrap, so that's what we're doing. And here is the cut up steel tube and bits of plate. I'm going to weld all of this together, and this will be a new mobile frame for the bandsaw. And I'm not going to show welding and painting and drilling and tapping and all of those things. It's just a frame, but I'll show you the saw on it. Anyway, this is just a quick video just to say thank you to everyone, and just to let you know that I'm still here, kicking more or less, and that more stuff is coming along. So once the bandsaw wraps up, not sure what I'll get into after that. We'll see what takes my fancy. But for the meantime, thanks again. Merry Christmas. Have a very happy New Year, and best wishes to you and all your families. Hope you stay safe and well. As always, may your dimensions be in tolerance and your service finishes chatter-free. Be seeing you.
Screw this. -24 for you metric folks.